Good afternoon. Here we have a roller used for assembling number plates. And one of the key things is it needs to be secured very firmly. So there are holes you can drill and mount it. Personally, I want to always be able to move it easily. So I've got myself a nice sturdy bench, and you could use something like a kitchen top mounted onto a base of some sort. So align it to center. I use these F clamps. They're better than G clamps because you get this nice straight edge onto it, and also they're easily fitted into place. So I basically put that one there. It mounts up neatly to the edge. I turn it, get it a little tight. I take the second one, and again they slot in really nicely into there. Pull that up. Okay, tighten them both really well. And the great thing is that's not going anywhere. Then I have the mounting, the jig, and we're ready to go. Hope that helps, and if you need any of these F clamps, I'm sure you can buy them online. If not, go to my eBay site. Thank you.